Limited daw, limited daw siya. Mayaman to.
Clear photos. Nice.
Oh, did Raven mention to you that we saw on plate number 7?
No, it's 80.
17.
17, 18.
Yeah, 17. Raven, what number is that? What number was that?
17.
Oh, 17. It's a plate number for a politician.
Usually I take photos of the car, so
Oh, we didn't.
the car was red.
It's Geely. Yeah. But we were amazed by the plate number. It just says 17.
I hate this game. I hate this. That. I'm stuck in an ad. It's the annoying Royal Match game that I always play.
Is it the king that always gets himself in trouble?
Yes.
Nakailang nga yung ad na yun. Bakit?
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na ano naman mangyari dito lang.
Oo naman.
Papakulam natin si Jeff. Kaya lang wala pala akong ano niya gamit niya. So medyo nahihirapan ako isip, paano kung papakulam yung hayop na yun? Kasi
Ito
wala
yung
kang
pictures
kawa,
niya sa Zoom.
wala kang kawala sa kanya dad eh, no? So it's either ganukin mo na lang yung pride mo.
Hindi nga ako ma-pride. Iba yung sinasabi niya one time, tapos iba na naman sabihin niya next time. Tapos
Hindi,
walang
pag
documentation. So yari ka.
Or yun nga, ika-capture mo lahat ng ano niya. I-record mo or ano. Kasi pag verify mo naman, ayaw ka naman replyan agad. Mas masagot ka agad.
Tapos kapag nagtanong ka, ilang pa siyang sagutin. Pati si Manny eh, ilang siya sagutin si Manny eh. Si Manny, ano yun eh, resourceful din yun eh.
Ako na magaling ako manghuli kasi, kaya hindi ako na ano nila